Hey y'all, happy Thanksgiving. So yeah, I'm just getting up. Yeah, I'm tired, but hey, it's Thanksgiving. I have to cook, get the kids together, get myself together. I'm supposed to get my hair done again. Actually on Thanksgiving. But anyways, yeah, but let's go. Let's eat. Let's spend time with family. Let's see. Let's go.
Hustle, 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 hustle. I had to hustle for it. Hustle, 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 hustle. I had to hustle for it. I had to hustle to get to the guap. Chef with the coke when I'm whipping out the pie. Push all the weekend.
Okay, y'all. So last night, on the water at 10, almost 9:30, 10 p.m. last night. I put the turkey on. Fell asleep, y'all. Yeah, fell asleep and woke up like 3 in the morning because I started smelling the turkey like real strong. I'm like, hold on, like you can't burn a turkey, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm not trying to go buy another turkey. And yeah, it was done. So today I'm gonna make the dressing, mac and cheese, baked mac and cheese, yams, green beans, cabbage. What else I got? What else I gotta make? I think that's it. I need to go look at my list again. I'm gonna pull everything out. But yeah, I mean, yeah. So I got a long little morning. But there's good thing with that is the sides don't take long. Oh, and I have ham. So yeah, that don't take nothing. And the ham has been going because I bought the ham weeks ago. So yeah, I had to let that thaw out. And then, oh, another thing, I have some hen, Cornish hen. Oh my goodness. I don't know what I thought a Cornish hen was, but I bought that, and when I popped it open, I was like, ooh, this for the dogs, because I am not about to eat this infant. It's already bad enough, the turkey, but yeah. So my dogs will have their Thanksgiving too. Yeah. So yeah. Alright, y'all. Let's go cook. What you doing, baby girl? It don't look like nothing. Okay. So there's a turkey, y'all. It is completely cooled. Yeah, this is the turkey. So now it's time to prepare the food, and let's go. So these kids put everything away, so yeah, I gotta search for everything. Okay, y'all. So, making mac and cheese in the oven. So I got this pineapple, coconut, mango, tequila sauce. It's gonna go on top of the ham. Carnation milk is for the mac and cheese. I have brown sugar and white sugar for the yams. My chicken broth, and then I'm gonna use the broth, like the juices from the turkey, for the dressing. I need to grill. I need to grill the chicken breast that's going inside the dressing. Y'all look. This is the hen, y'all. The Cornish hen. This is for the dogs. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the oven for them. Knock them out the way. Cause they, it's about time for them to eat. It's morning and it's time to eat. I need everyone to shower and get ready for today. Everyone. You too, son. Go find you some clothes so you can take a shower. And then bring me your clothes so you can go in my shower. So I'm gonna let the oven preheat for these hens. I don't care what you're telling me right now. You have to shower for today.
I didn't clean myself too.
Okay?
I didn't clean myself too, Mama.
Okay, but you still have to shower and you need your hair done.
But I didn't clean myself no more.
Okay.
I was in the bathtub. I mean, I was in the restroom. I was going to pee in the toilet.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, but you still have to shower.
I don't need to.
You don't need to.
Yes, I don't need to.
Yes, you do. And then you look like somebody else's child.
No.
Yes.
I still want
Close the
strawberries.
refrigerator. Close the refrigerator.
I still want watermelon.
Oh, it's done. Yeah. Almost birthday. 3 in the morning. I started smelling it. I was like, oh. So yeah, it's good to go. What are y'all feeding y'all dogs? Mine's spoiled as hell. As usual, let me tell y'all. They eat Cornish hen. Look at that. Look at that. I bet they ready. This is for Bailey, and that's for Cicely. I can't wait. I can't wait till they see it. OMG. Okay, so I am making the dressing. I made the dressing. The cornbread yesterday, and they say make it the day before because it makes it more dry. So I sauteed some onion, bell pepper, celery, topped that there. This is the juices from the turkey. So I'm gonna add that to this. I'm gonna add some sage, season all, and yeah, so I'm gonna add some chopped up chicken. I have some gizzards in there. And yeah, so that's it. And we're gonna see how it turns out. Okay, so right now I'm about to make yams. So yeah, let's see. I already started with the dressing, so I'm gonna go make the yams right now. So I'm about to make yams. I'm gonna show you guys what you need to make yams. So this is what I got yesterday. I got 4 or 5 of these. You will need this. Be careful with it, because for some reason I always cut my finger. You need cinnamon, nutmeg, pure vanilla extract, brown sugar, white sugar, and hold on, you will need butter. So with the amount of potatoes that I got here, it's about 4, 5, 6, about 12 potatoes. Me personally, I will put 2 sticks of butter, 4 sticks. Preheat your pan to medium heat. Drop these 2 inside. Have a measuring cup, because I always measure, so if it's not, I don't like to be too sweet or too not, so I always do 1 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar. So you melt the butter and add the sugar with it, and then what I do is I place the chopped sweet potatoes on top, and then I let it cook. I cover and let it cook. I don't add water, I don't boil them first, I don't do nothing, and then come out. So I'm gonna show y'all guys the end result. Okay, so I added my sage and season oil, and now I'm gonna add the chicken. Okay, can you see?